Thank you so much. People in the house. So plenty. Oh, if I see. Mark Subong.
Thanks, Del. Thanks so much. Thank you so much. Pitta, thanks to you because with these go live togethers, my watch hours are going up a little bit. It had come down to like 130 in the last 28 days. My watch hours were showing 130.
Okay.
Now it has crossed the 200 mark.
Ang kawawang June vlog. Nasa Rocky Lover Boy. Wala namang jowa. Natatawa ko niyan pag si Miss Jamie ang si Miss Jamie ang kakanta kasi Miss kasabay kanta. Ayun. Ang kawawang June vlog.
Del, hope you're doing well over there.
May kasamang sayaw yan si Miss Jamie.
Do you have snow in your area also? Winter time? Del?
Mag-ano tayo ha? June vlog. Mag-SY tayo ha. June vlog. Ihanda mo yung boses mo. Ihanda mo boses mo. Mag-SY tayo.
I asked during winter, do you also get snow in your area?
Si Lucy kailan daw? Yung hindi ikaw busy. Na-postpone yung aming graduation. The graduation is moved until April 20.
Okay, right.
So,
Yeah, because once we had a friend who once came to Canada to visit us during Christmas, and she told my wife, okay, sometimes she told my wife, I want to see a white Christmas. So that's why I want to come and visit, you guys. And the day she came, there was no snow on Christmas Day. It was a white Christmas, okay, in a way, because there was snow before and there was snow after, but it didn't snow on Christmas Day. She wanted it specifically to be snowing on Christmas Day.
Ayun, so...
You're still sleepy.
Magpapractice na rin yan.
You're not at work?
Need coffee! Yay! The black one! Just Del. Only Del.
Pitta and no coffee.
Just Del, only Del. Del.
In Canada, where I was working, okay, these people are so crazy. Tim Hortons is very famous, so they will buy at Tim Hortons and they will buy like a medium or a large size. And whole day they are only sipping it. That one coffee, they are sipping it whole day. Whenever it turns cold, they go to the kitchen. We got a little pantry. They go there, they heat it up, and then they keep drinking it. Oh God. I think if you keep
lang. Ayusin mo paglinis ang maneha.
If you keep heating up that coffee, there's no taste to that coffee, I think, I don't know.
Agad-agad. Huwag muna kasi ano ngayon Sabado de Gloria. Diyos ko naman, ikaw Sabado de Gloria, mag-isway tayo. Busy si Ma'am Nati. Excited naman si June vlog. Agad-agad. Sabado de Gloria, ingay tayo.